Welcome students, welcome to your online maths class. Today we will discuss about exponent. Before starting this chapter exponent, before solving the sums, let us know something about this word exponent. You can see it is written in your book that if we are multiplying 5 4 times, then we can write the same thing in this form. We have to know what is the meaning of this, or how can we read this. We can read this as 5 raised to the power 4. Here this 5 is base and 4 is exponent. We can say index also. This type of writing, like this is 5 raised to the power 4, this is minus 6 raised to the power 3. This type of writing is actually, this type of form we can say is known as exponential form or power notation. Let us discuss about some formula that we have to use in the chapter exponent. Here a by b is a rational number. Any rational number, mn are positive integer. So if I am getting a by b raised to the power m into a by b raised to the power n, then according to the formula we can write this is equal to a by b raised to the power m plus n. Let's see one example. Here we are using one example. Let us consider 2 by 3 raised to the power 4 into 2 by 3 raised to the power 6. This will be equal to 2 by 3 raised to the power 4 plus 6. That means we are adding these powers if multiplication sign is there in between these two. So we will get 2 by 3 raised to the power 10. Now next formula, a by b raised to the power m, if divide sign is there, a by b raised to the power m divided by a by b raised to the power n, then we will get a by b raised to the power m minus n. So previously when this was multiplied with each other, we got a by b raised to the power m plus n. Now you can see here instead of multiplication we are dividing these two. So we are getting a by b raised to the power m minus n. So in that case we will get in this way. We are considering again 2 by 3 raised to the power 6 divided by 2 by 3 raised to the power 4. So it will become 2 by 3 raised to the power 6 minus 4. That means 2 by 3 raised to the power 2. Then students, we can discuss formula number 3, 4 and 5 also. You can see here. Formula number 3, it is given a by b raised to the power n, then outside the bracket it is written m. A by b raised to the power n, then again whole totally we are getting total things, this total a by b to the power n, then second bracket, then raised to the power m is there. In this case students, we are going to multiply these two power m and n. That means it will be a by b raised to the power m n. Mn means here we are multiplying m and n. So look at the example. Here we have written, we have taken one more example. So in this case we have to multiply these two. So we will get 2 by 3 raised to the power 12. In this case next formula, formula number 4, if anything to the power 0 is there, that means anything raised to the power 0 is there. So here a by b raised to the power 0 is present. This will be equal to 1. It can be any number. A by b can be any number also. It can be rational number also. If raised to the power 0 is there, it will be 1. Then in number 5, a by b raised to the power minus 1. If any minus sign is there, then we have to use just the reciprocal of the number. So it will become b by a raised to the power 1. Actually raised to the power 1 means only b by a. That's why we have written here a by b raised to the power minus 1 is equal to only b by a. So let us solve now. First question, it is given, you have to write in power notation. The question is written over here, question number 1. It is given minus 1 by 6 into minus 1 by 6 into minus 1 by 6. You have to write in power notation. That means 3 times we are multiplying the same number. So the answer will be minus 1 by 6 raised to the power 3. In the second question, this one is given minus 27 by 64. Now this minus 27 by 64 you have to write in power notation. You have to express it in power notation. Now this minus 27 we can write in this form, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, and this 64 we can write 4 into 4 into 4. That means this numerator is minus 27, we are writing in this form. So we can write numerator is minus 3 to the power raised to the power 3, and this one is by 4, I mean in denominator by 4 raised to the power 3, or you can write in this way, minus 3 by 4 raised to the power 3. This is power notation form. Next one, in question number 3 it is given, express as a rational number. Now when you have to express it as a rational number means this is actually power notation form. Here from rational number we have expressed in power notation form. Now here it is given in power notation form, we have to express in rational number. That means what to do, we have to multiply this minus 1 5 times, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, or you can write directly also 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times we have to multiply 2 and 5 times we have to multiply minus 1. So when we will do this, then we will get 5 times we are multiplying the negative number means obviously negative will come, and 1 means we are multiplying 1 with 1 only, so we will get minus 1, and this one we will multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 2s are 32. So this will be the answer. This is the rotation rational number from power rotation. Next one is reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 to the power 11. So when we will write the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 to the power 11, either we can write the reciprocal of this number, that means minus 5 by 6, we can write 6 by minus 5 to the power 11, this one, or you can write minus 5 by 6 raised to the power minus 11 also, because as we discussed in the formula, this minus 11 means basically we have to write in this form. So both are correct, but try to write in this form because here we are finding out the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6. Now let's solve this one. Simplify and express as a rational number. How to simplify it? First of all, we can see that this is minus 2, this is 3, this is minus 3, this is 7, and power, these are written in power notation form. So we can do one thing, we can separate this in this way. This is 2 to minus 2 to the power raised to the power 5. Now this minus 3 we can write in separately, because we can see this 3 we can cancel. So first I am writing this 3, whatever 3's are there, these 3's I am writing separately. So these are, there are total 5 3 in denominator, so I am writing 5 times. I am not writing 7 and 2 separately, because these are not going to cancel with each other. We cannot cancel 2 and 7. Now see, we can cancel from denominator, we can cancel this and this, minus 1 will left. Then we can cancel this and this, again minus 1 we will get, again this and this, minus 1 we will get. So ultimately minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, we are getting minus 1 only. Then minus 2 to the power 5, minus 2 to the power 5 means we know 2 to the power 5 is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16 and 16 into 2 32. As because minus is there, we will get in minus 32 into minus 1. This is minus 2 to the power 5, that means minus 32, and minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Now here we are getting 3 and 3, that means 3 3s are 9 into 7 raised to the power 3 means 7 into 7 into 7, that means 49 into 7. Then we are getting 343. So now this 32 into 1 we will do, and we will do 9 into 343. So we will get the answer 32 pi. If we are multiplying these two, we will get 3 9s are 27, then 8, and this one will be 30. That means the answer is 32 by 3087. This is the answer, and this is actually a rotational number also. Now let us solve this one. In this case it is written 1 by minus 1 by 4. This is a rational number, and 3 powers are 3 different powers are there. So how to solve this? As because we have seen in formula, just according to the formula we will proceed here also, that minus 1 by 4 raised to the power 2 into minus 2 into minus 1. As because we have seen that if this type of formation is there, we just have to multiply the powers. So we are multiplying the powers here also. So we will get minus 1 by 4 raised to the power 2 into 2 4, I mean minus 4 is coming here, minus 4 into minus 1 only 4 plus 4. So minus 1, if I am multiplying minus 1 4 times, obviously even number times I am multiplying minus 1 so I will get 1, sorry, and then this 4 I am multiplying 4 times, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, and 64 4s are 256. So answer will be 1 by 256. So students, in this way, just by using the formula, we can solve different types of exponent. Now you have to practice exponent properly, then you will not face any difficulties. Still, if you are having any doubt regarding this video, regarding this class, you can give me your message, you can send me your message in comment box. And that's all for today. Take care, be safe, bye.